If you're selling anything online, you must know about upsells within funnels. No matter if you're selling online courses or any other digital product, or if you're selling even physical products. Adding an upsell behind the original sale will increase your average order value. 100% of your traffic will land on the thank you page. So why not use the thank you page as another upsell? Let me show you how you can set this up within a few minutes only. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a form under forms and then add the upsell to that form. Before, we also have the function already within funnels that you can pull a one-step or two-step order form, but this feature will allow you to build the upsell within forms directly. So get into the form builder, click add new form. Let's create one from scratch. And then on the left-hand side, we want to select the sell product element into our form. This will allow us to collect payment details. At the top here, we're just going to keep first name, last name, phone number, and email. That's fine. Down here, we have already provided the mandatory terms and condition checkout pages. So you can just add your names here and change what needs to be changed. So this form doesn't just allow you to sell the products and take the payment information, but it also creates the token that is needed for a one-click upsell. So on the upsell page, people click a button. They don't have to insert their payment details again or any other details. That just happens simply in the first step during the initial sale. And that is why it's so high converting. So next up, we want to make sure we have selected the sell products element. And on the right-hand side here, you can switch between test and live mode. Right now we're in live mode, and if we switch it back, we are in test mode. Then under payment types, do we want to sell products or do we want to collect payments? Let's stick with sell products for now. And right here, we can select the product that we've previously created. Remember, you can create products under payments and then products. So let's add a product, click the drop-down menu, and let's say we want to sell the Black Friday offer, for example. Here is another option for you to click, and it will forward you to the payments and products section where you can then create your products. Once you've created those, they will show up in this drop-down menu. Now here's two different products you can sell. Do you want to sell the main product or a bump product? So the difference here is about the main product you would talk on your landing page, and for the bump product, it's just a little added product that you can attach to a form. Right now, let's stick with main product, and we want to show everything, the description, the image, and the quantity available. So please note at this point, this is also connected to your inventory count. If your inventory is low, if there's no products left in the inventory, the upsell does not work. Now let's hit add product. And here we can also edit the product again if we don't like what we see, or we can delete it. Down here, you can enable coupons if you would like to offer some. Once you're happy with everything, make sure to rename your form and then hit save top right corner. So let's go to funnel and attach this form to a particular funnel. Let's go back. Let's go to sites on the left, funnels at the top, click new funnel. Let's take one from the templates. That's fine. Let's hit continue. That one looks good to me. Choose template. And here we are. The funnel is already done. And we want to click the add elements. And scrolling further down, you can see the option form under forms. Okay. If you scroll further down, you can see the two-step and the one-step order and the order confirmation, which are the other elements. For now, this video is about this particular form. Please also note that this only works in the V2 funnels. It does not work with the V1 funnels. So now let's drag and drop the form over. Let's say we're going to add it right here. We click on the element and the form picker shows up. We type the name of our form. It comes up here. Let's select it. And ta-da, our order form shows up right here. You can see all the details are showing up, including the name, the quantity, the payment card, and our checkboxes. Now down here you have a button, right? So we want to configure the button actions. And here you want to say go to next website URL or go to next step. In this case, we're just going to use go to next step to not confuse the system. You could also use website URL, but that complicates things because you need to go back and find the URL. And also at this point, I want to mention, please only use the upsell on the same domain. Otherwise, the token created within this form will not transfer over to the next page. So let's go with next step. Now let's hit save, top right corner. Then let's go back. Here we have the landing page and we have the thank you page. So the next step would be an upsell, right? So let's add a next step. Let's name it upsell, hit create funnel. Then we can drag and drop it up here, and that would then be the next step where we could list the details from our upsell. We can add upsell videos and more information, testimonials about the upsell product. So next up, we want to attach the upsell product to the funnel. The original offer has been attached to the form, and then the upsell product now has to be attached to the upsell page. So click products. Then click Add Product. And here you have a list of your products. Let's say we choose the 101 WhatsApp support. We select the price. The product name gets automatically transferred from the description in the product one when you've created it. You can override the price display name, and then under additional options, you can decide, do you want to make this a main product or a bump product? You already know the difference. So let's hit save. And here you can see the product has been attached successfully. Now let's go back to overview and let's edit the upsell page. Let's open it in a new tab. Let's just insert a few elements. Let's say we have a column here with the headline and all that. And then here we have our column with a button that people click to get the upsell, right? So you want to click on the button on the right-hand side. You want to scroll down. You want to click the drop-down menu and select one click up or down sell product. You select the product you want to sell, which is the same one that we've just attached to the funnel. And then here we want to select the next step, which is go to next step, go to URL, or select a custom step, which then opens up the funnel step drop-down menu here, and you can select by the page, okay? So in this case, we are going to select a thank you page. Let's hit save top right corner, and then I want to show you the order confirmation on the thank you page. So let's go back, edit, and here just imagine it would say thank you for your purchase. Let's click add a new element, scroll down to the bottom and add the order confirmation, drag and drop it over. And here the customer will see all the different products listed individually that they have purchased, including the upsells and bump offers. And please note, you can add more than one upsell. So each step supports one upsell product. So you can chain multiple funnel steps to create multi-step upsell sequences. Automations only will then fire if you've set it up, which I hope you have, when the upsell is purchased. For this, use the order submitted trigger with a product filter to be able to target specific SKUs. Multiple payment gateways are supported, such as Stripe, PayPal, AuthorizeNet, NMI, and Square. And that's it already. This is how you can create one-click upsells within your funnels to increase your average order value. I hope you like this video and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist. I will see you over there. Our entire help doc library is linked below, where you can learn more information about this particular feature as well as many other features. Also be sure to check out our Content Army YouTube playlist as well as our blog, where you can learn more things about HighLevel and what it has to offer.